Hi everyone, let me introduce you to our new feature of auto clustering. Auto clustering is coming out of the box from Snowflake. Sometimes the improvements you can make with clustering your tables better, or even removing the clustering since it's not necessary, helping you or supporting your performance. So what you have here is a list of our table, like that's the total amount you are paying for those services of auto clustering. At the bottom, you have the cost breakdown per each table. And for now, we added the new feature that analyzing your usage of auto clustering per each table. If we are giving a health score for each table that is being used with auto clustering, and if this score we are giving to the table is low, we are providing basically sort of a root cause analysis that provides you, let me show how it looks like, clicking on analyze, and in few seconds, we are able to see the suggesting we have for this table. This table is too small. The auto clustering is not necessarily helping. So we are advising to drop the clustering keys, not using auto clustering in here, and save money. We are also able to show the impact of adding clustering keys to the table. And if you don't want to go table by table in this dropdown, we provide a general report by clicking in here on generate analysis. And you get a report that shows you what are the tables that do use auto clustering, and we are advising to remove or optimize or keep it as is. And if we are advising you to remove, like we are showing the reason for that suggestion. And if we are advising to optimize it, click on Start Smart Optimize, and we are showing the key that needed to be in use for that clustering and the impact of what it will be to drop or change or recluster the table. At the bottom of this pop-up, we are showing the top candidates for starting to use auto clustering. Means this table is not clustered, and we are advising it to cluster this table or doing it manually or enable the auto clustering and see what clustered smart auto clustering from Snowflake is picking. And as I said, at the bottom, we are showing the impact in cost for reclustering the table or adding a new cluster key. That's it for this feature. I find it very useful. It can save money and improve performance, since the better the table is clustered or partitioned, the better the performance are. Feel free to reach out for any questions